on the Bluehost website. I'll have a link for this in the description down below, so you can get this discounted price. Okay, instead of $7.99 per month, you're gonna get a cost starting at only $3.95 per month. So the first thing you'll notice right here is that just says you get free domain name registration, free SSL certificate included, a one-click WordPress install, and 24/7 support. So guys, my personal experience with all of this, it is completely true. Alright, the 24/7 support is insane. Okay, it's really good. No matter what problems I've had or whatever time it has been. Okay, I'm in Thailand, so I'm on very different time zones to where Bluehost are, right? So, but I've had no problems whatsoever in contacting whenever I need help. Okay, they get back to me very fast, and they're always very helpful. And the free domain, yes, they do actually give you a free domain. You'll see that later on in this video, okay? So if you want to follow along with me, guys, like I said, just click this link in the description down below, get taken to this website, and you can see this price, and you can follow along with me and have a look at the website yourself if you want. So let's click Get Started, and I'll show you the different plans that they have with Bluehost. One thing that I forgot to mention as well, guys, is they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? You can read more about that right here, okay? So it says if you cancel within 30 days, you receive a full refund on your hosting service only. The money-back guarantee does not apply to most add-on products such as domains, given the unique nature of their costs, okay? So if you do sign up to Bluehost and you decide you don't like it, they can give you the money back on the actual hosting service itself. So if you're not happy with it, if you decide Bluehost isn't for you, you will have 30 days to cancel. But I'm sure you will be happy with this, guys. If you sign up, I've never had any problems with Bluehost, to be honest. So I'm sure you won't even need that, but it's available to you if you feel so. So let's just take a look at the plans quickly that they offer. So just click this button right here, Get Started. We will see all the different plans that Bluehost can offer us. So they've got the basic plan, plus plan, choice plus plan, and if you scroll down here, they've got a pro plan as well. Okay, so the prices, as you can see, they are very competitive with every single other web hosting platform out there. So the basic package starts at $3.95 per month, and it goes all the way up to $13.95 per month. So don't forget, guys, click the link in the description down below if you want to get these discounted prices. Okay, you can see the normal prices is $7.99 per month for this one and $23.99 per month. So if you click the link in the description down below, you can get the best current discount available. So I'm not going to go over too much detail about these guys, but you just need to know that obviously the basic plan is for newbies who are just starting out creating a website. So if you are just trying this out, okay, just want to see if a website is for you, then maybe you can go with this one, okay? You'll only get one website with this. But if you think you're going to stick with this and you're going to build more than one website, then I would highly recommend going with one of the other options, because you will get unlimited with these. So you can come to the website, guys, check out which one was going to suit your needs, okay? You can read through all of these. If you don't understand what anything is, just have a little Google, guys, search up what it is. If you don't understand anything at all of these different terms right here, just have a Google, or you can leave a comment in the description, comment down below underneath this video, guys, and I will get back to you as soon as I can to give you some help, okay? But yeah, choose whatever package you think was going to suit you best. So once you've decided on your plan, guys, okay, whichever one you choose, just click